Conversation about the market is closed.
Hi, Dolly. Hello, Sarah. I have seen you after a long time. Because I went on holidays. And I came back home last night. Okay. By the way, where are you going now? I am going to the market. But the market is closed for the last 8 days. What? I did not know about it. But why? Vegetable sellers are on strike for the last 8 days. But why are they on strike? The vegetable market is newly built on the Hilling Road. That's why they are on strike. The Hilling Road is far away from the city. And the road is very rough. Auto rickshaw drivers charge a lot from customers to go there. That's why very few customers go there. Because of this, vegetable sellers must have suffered a lot. Yes, you are right. Those sellers had been suffering for many days. And they have gone on strike. The rent of the shop in the market has also been increased. Oh. Very bad happened to vegetable sellers. Yes. What are their demands? Those sellers are demanding that the rent of the shop in the market should be reduced. Do they have any other demands? Yes. Their demand is that government buses should be started so that auto rickshaw drivers don't charge more money from customers. They are right. I don't have a single vegetable to cook in my house. Where do I buy vegetables from now? Don't worry. I will give you. I have a lot. The market is closed now. So where do you buy from? I buy vegetables from another city. But the bus ticket would be very expensive, wouldn't it? Yes. But what to do? Because of the strike. Even no one comes to sell vegetables. It has become a big problem. Really don't know when this strike will end.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.